Right. In this lesson, we will show you how easy it can be to import data from an Excel spreadsheet into Python. As a data analyst, most of the data cleaning you'll do will be in Python, primarily using CSV files. However, occasionally, you might receive an Excel file either from a member of your team or from external partners. In such situations, it might be advantageous and time-saving for all to read and import data from an Excel spreadsheet directly. In other words, try to allow yourself to work with Excel files only if you will improve the workflow in the company by doing so. Otherwise, stick to working with CSVs or JSON, as they are faster to read. With that in mind, let's go back to Jupyter. Before executing this cell, let's open the spreadsheet in Excel first to just see its current state. As you can see, it has been perfectly organized in a tabular form. Nice! The code structure to read an Excel file is identical to the one required for importing CSV data. This time, though, you'll need the pandas read_Excel method. You should also designate the correct file extension after the file name. It is xlsx. Let's run this cell to check what output we will obtain. It's a pandas data frame once again. We can further verify the type of the newly obtained object by executing type, open parenthesis, my xlsx file, closing parentheses. To examine the parameters of the read_Excel method, you can visit the pandas documentation. Employing read_Excel is similar to using the read_CSV method, so we won't discuss it in detail. The main takeaway here is to know how to directly transfer your spreadsheet work files into Python. As Python and Jupyter are the place where you'll be analyzing the data, this step is crucial. Thank you for watching.